Okay, one more video. Here we go. Here at Parrot Castle, I've got another giant right there. You can pinpoint his face out. This is one location. I'll get another here shortly, a couple days or so, but so right there is his face. You can see his eyes, and that's his left ear, his mouth. Very well defined face, and then you got his arms coming down there. Left arm, then his right arm. And it comes way down. But he's a whole side of a mountain. Wow. But I'll view it from another location, really find out what we're dealing with here as far as size and stuff. But yeah, that thing's massive. There's another good view. Wow. Yeah, here you can see his hip. That's his right arm. This is his left arm. Left ear. You can see his hair. The hairline, his eyes. You can see his mouth. Chin. It's all really good detail due to the snow that just recently fell yesterday on Christmas. Wow. No doubt. It's a little mallard. Moving. Cool. Well, stuff just starting to go crackling in the bushes, so I'm out of here, but there it is. New giant discovered today, December 26th, 2018, outside of Whitehall, Montana. This is a good one. This is a really good one. Wow. Put a little red tint on it with my shades. That is awesome. Cool. Thanks everybody for watching. Please just subscribe to my channels. Ryan Wehner, UFO'S and Slo-Mo. Or my new channel called Ryan Wehner's New Giants of Old 777 on YouTube. Thanks. Hope you enjoy.